Hey guys, welcome to Forex Family Empire. We're back again with another video. It's your boy Case Malls. Yeah, guys, I know I've been neglecting you a lot, but yeah, right now I'm gonna be posting videos for you guys. I've been analyzing on my own. Yesterday I was analyzing this gap. I said it's gonna be bouncing within this trend and then go down, and then from here the TP will be somewhere here. That's where it changed. But yeah, guys, without wasting any more time, let's get right into the chart, guys. I'm going to remove everything from here and go to my highest time frame. And you know how I analyze, guys. I always go to the highest time frame and then go down with it to the lowest time frame, and just to pick up all those entries that we're going to be needing on this market, guys. So the entries always has to be killer on this pair. So from there, all I need to do is to um, identify the zones or the points where the market gave us a big movement, and then that's where I'm going to be doing. So this is my highest point, this is my lowest point. So from here I'm going to be identifying all those zones that the market basically gave me a big movement. So this is the zones. I'm just going to specify all these zones here. So I'm not doing them in order at the moment, but yeah, you can see where I'm putting. This is basically where the market touches and then it reverses. So that's basically the points by where the market touch, the market will reverse. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm basically putting those points right now there. This is on our highest time frame of weekly. So from here, I've identified most of the zones here. The ones that I'll be seeing, maybe they will be in another time frames basically. So right now this is what I'm seeing. I saw this one here. Maybe we can basically say this is our another zone, but let me go to the lower time frame. So on a lower time frame we still have the zones that we need to pick up from there, and I think this is the another zone that I can pick up from last. So it's next to that one. So this one basically also gave me a big movement as well. So yeah, guys, so I think that's it from here at the moment. So what I'm going to be doing right now is to identify the trend of the market. So right now we saw that the market gave us this trend, and then they broke out from this trend basically. So it touched from first touch, second touch, and then the third touch, they broke out. Then they came back and retested on the lines that we drew, and right now they're basically playing above that. So I'm already seeing the market structure basically at the moment. So we might see right now that the market is broken out from this big falling wedge, and you know that the top of the wedge is basically the TP, meaning right now we're expecting the market to basically go to the top side, but the market will never go to the top side without bouncing in, going down, reverse, and then that's how the market moves. So but yeah, the overall structure right now is to go up to hit the TP of the falling wedge if the market has to respect the technicals. So but basically right now we are done with that. We have identified the structure. So right now we need to see what the lower time frames is telling us, guys. So the lower time frames, we have another one here. Basically, I think I can maybe put this here and say the market is playing around this zone here. So this is the zone that we need to identify. If the market breaks out, we know that we're going to be pushing to the top side even furthermore until this line before we start seeing a reversal a little bit. So right now, what the market did right now here, I can see that we had some breakout from here. The reversal, the market was giving us a market structure, bouncing, and then they broke. Right now, they came in. I think they're creating another consolidation here on this phase. Remember, we're still on a higher time frame. We need to wait for the market to cool down, or we need to go to the lower time frame and see what's going to be happening. So basically, this is what I'm seeing at the moment on the market, guys. So right now, what happened is that the market basically gave us a breakout, went up and started to range within this zone, and then broke out to this zone, and then right now I think it's preparing another consolidation zone, and right now we're going to be seeing a market shooting to the top side. I think if I analyze the TP for the zones that I broke out, this is how I always analyze. This is basically how it is. You can see that the TP there, it went and turned on top of the TP, meaning right now this thing is giving us a consolidation. Once it's done with this consolidation, let me remove this. We know that the next stop, if we're going to the top side, we can see that already the breakout has already happened. You can see that the top side TP is basically here. So we need to be careful on this line. I think I need to remove this line because it's going to give us fake news there. I think I even put it on the other time frame, which is the weekly there. It was in a strong support or resistance there, so I'm just going to remove that, and then we can focus on this big one here. So right now guys, we can see that the market has broken out. We're waiting for them to come back and retest this level here. Once they retest this level, we can start going up with them up until this TP here. So I'm just going to take out this thing at the moment, because right now already we know the market structure is going up, guys, for Nasdaq. So we know that they are busy consolidating at the moment. They broke out that wedge, and right now we are expecting them to come back and retest the wedge and then continue to go to the upside. So you might ask me, where am I going to be entering my trade? I think you might enter your trades here. So this is the zone that where you can enter your trade. You wait for the market to come. Once they hit the line, you start entering your trade. So but we're going to go to the lower time frame just to see other opportunities that we can enter the market. We can see that the market is already um, creating another structure here. So guys, we trade with the structure. Once the market is giving us structures, we know we go with that structure. So right now we know that we are waiting for the market to come back and reverse. Don't let these lines confuse you at the moment. You know that we drew them on the higher time frame. So these lines are the ones that are helping us, guiding us to enter our positions. So right now on the H4, I can't see much on H4 regarding this structure, because right now I know that on D1 I was expecting something like this to come to the lower part, touch the line, and then we can start continuing to go to the upside. So that's basically what I'm seeing right now when it comes to Nasdaq. We need to push over to the lower time frame, which is 1 hour at the moment. So you see, with 1 hour I can see something basically with 1 hour. Maybe I can just start putting a trend here basically on 1 hour. So this trend is basically here. Maybe we can start this trend here. I don't know where we can start it, but yeah, if we start it here, we're on the verge of breaking out. So when we break out, we know that we might come and touch this level here. So right now, I think this is a very invalid trend. I'm just going to take it out at the moment and see basically what's happening. I'm just going to do like this. We are seeing peaks. We are seeing breaks. Let's see this level here. Do you see this level, guys? This is the important level that we see. I think the market needs to break out here from this small level. We can see this. So once this level is broken, you know how I like to do it is that I always like to calculate TPs like this. So this is the level. We know that the market right now is ranging within this level on a 1 hour time frame. So we might see a reversal from here going up, and then they come down. Once they break out from here, we know that they're gonna come and touch that line. Our main point right now is waiting for them to break out from this structure and then coming back to touch the line. Once they touch the line, guys, we know that we're gonna be expecting long position from this level, and then we go up with them up until that specific point, guys. So that's basically my trading plan at the moment. You can see this is the structure here is basically bouncing around. That structure is basically playing around here. Once they break the structure, you calculate the TP, and then we can see the TP is coming straight on top of the line, the trend line that we had. And then once it hits that trend line, you start putting your buys here, and then you can go with the market to the top side, guys. I think this is the best analysis. I think I love this analysis at the moment, guys. Just keep your eyes on Nasdaq, guys. I'm just going to go to the lower time frame. We can see right now that structure that I drew here is saying, okay, we're going to be reversing. We might see a reversal going up, and then they come back here. If they touch here again, guys, know that you can put your cells. You know that your cells are basically short positions, or maybe let me put it like this. If you put your cells, you know that you are not going to hold for too long. So your cells need to be up until where you need to put your buys. But your buy the buying position is the one which is going to be a hold, or is going to be the one that is going to be taking more time, basically. So, guys, this is my trading plan for Nasdaq. I'm just going to remove the sell there, but you know that once they touch this level here, you know you can just jump in with a lot of sells. You know that you put your stop loss above here. You know that if they break out, they might start going to the top side without coming back to retest the trend line, but they need to retest the trend line before we enter our buying opportunities, guys. So our buying opportunities are here next to the line. So let me just go straight to 15 minutes and see exactly what's happening, guys. So with 15 minutes, that's basically what I see. I think they're gonna be ranging within this market, come back, touch here, and then here. Once they come back again, maybe two, three times, they will break out this zone and then fall to the below side up until they hit our trend line there. So the trend line, once they hit the trend line or the TP of the downtrend, we know that we're gonna be buying, guys. So yeah, that's it from me, guys. Let me see which other currency pair that I can analyze. Let me go to USDJPY. So guys, guys, I've been analyzing on my own. You see there's analyzes here. There was USDJPY. I took a trade from here. I saw a breakout here. I said the TP is going to be somewhere here. We can see that the market basically turned from there and started to move to the upside. So nonetheless, we don't want that. We need to reanalyze this thing from scratch. So I'm going to do the same things that I did on Nasdaq. So that's basically what I'm going to be doing right now. So this is the structure of USD JPY. I love USD JPY, guys. I don't know why. Even on news, mostly right now, I'm trading USD JPY because a lot of times when I trade with Nasdaq or USDT, the brokers they play me hard. So, guys, I'm going to specify my highest point, lowest point, places whereby the market touches, the market reverses. So basically, that's what I'm doing at the moment. So, guys, this is basically it. I think that's it when it comes to USD JPY. I'm going to go to daily time frame. We need to specify our trend basically on the daily time frame. I'm seeing something like this on a daily time frame when it comes to USD JPY. So this is it. So we saw a bounce. Right now we're going to the top side. So right now, if I can connect this trend, I can say, all right, I'm expecting the market to come and bounce here, and then we need to come to the lower side. I mean, we need to do something like this. I think the market is already going there, guys, when it comes to USD JPY. So I'm just going to put this level here like this. So this is where we need to expect to be selling. So I can see a good sell when it comes to USD JPY. I think this is also giving me a correlation. Um, it's giving me a correlation confirmation basically because when USD JPY, Nasdaq should go up. When USD JPY goes down, Nasdaq goes up, and USDT go up. But that's most of the time when it comes to the correlation, guys. I think that's what I've noticed basically. So I think this is what is going to be happening. We're going to be seeing selling opportunities here when it comes to USD JPY. You can put your maybe stop loss here. So the selling opportunities are going to be up until this zone. So because we're busy bouncing within this, we're busy bouncing within this, we're waiting for a breakout. I think this channel has a bias of breaking to the top side all the time. So, but before they break to the downside, to the top side, they need to maybe come back to this level and then they can break to the top side. Once they break to the top side, we know that our TP is going to be there. So that's basically where the TP is going to be. But right now, we are waiting for them to come and touch this level, and then we start selling. Once they start selling, we wait for them. They can break out and then they retest, and then we go up with them. So that's basically the trading plan when it comes to USD JPY. I'm going to go to the lower time frame and see exactly what I'm going to be seeing. We saw that they gave us trends within a trend, guys. They broke those trends, went up. You can see this is basically what the structure has been doing. They came in, broke out, and then they came back, started consolidating. We see they break out, consolidate, break out, consolidate, break out, consolidate. So we can see they broke out here and then came back, and then they started consolidating. Right now, they consolidated here as well, and then they broke out. So this is basically the structure of the market, how it moves. So we can see right now they consolidated. Right now they broke out. We're waiting for them to reach this level. I think I'm going to jump into my MT4 and then put some fill in some orders here in within this box. So I just need to refine the entry. So basically, how I refine my entries, guys, let me remove this and show you how I always refine my entries, guys. Let me remove this. Let me remove this. We can see that we had some sort of supply zone here. So this is some sort of a supply zone here. I'm already on H1, so this here should be my supply zone. I need to refine it first before I put in my order. So my supply zone is here. So this thing was engulfed up until this level. So meaning I can either put my orders here. So it's either I can put my orders here on 137348. So I can put my sell orders here, or I can go to the lower time frame and refine it even more further. So that's basically what I'm gonna be doing here. I need to refine it even more further. We can see. Okay. So already the refinement is taking my entry to the top side, guys. It's taking my order up again so that I don't get any drawdowns on my trade, guys. So that's basically what I'm doing right now. I'm refining my entry so we can see here. If I want to enter another one, it's going to be 137701. So that's basically it here. 13 is either I'm entering here 137701 or 709, or I'm going to put it exactly on the peak. But yeah, the best entry should be here, and then you know that you are within this line. If I go down to the lower time frame again, just to refine it even further, I'm going to do it like this. Just give me a second while I check the market, while I check the thing. All right, so I need to make sure that my order is on the right spot. So on a 30 minutes chart, I'm already on the same engulfment candle. You can see here it's taking it even further. So the last candle bar was engulfed from here, so it's going to be 137796. So you can see that it's already taking my entry point even further up. So that's basically what I'm doing right now, refining my entry up until 15 minutes time frame, guys. So that's basically how I do it each and every time to get all those killer entries, all those sniper entries. That's how I do it, guys. This is how I do it. Let me see again the last part. So we are on 15 minutes time frame. You know, have you seen how I started refining my entries, guys? So my entries started to be refined on the uh, uh, H4. Right now I'm on H1. So you can see right now my entry points is now thin. Basically, is if I put it here, the last candle bar was engulfed, and then it got engulfed from here. So we know that my risk reward is no longer that high, you know. So if I can put my orders here at 137820, is going to be perfect. Or you can put it in the middle of the bar. It depends on you. So I like to put it in the middle of the bar or in the first of the bar if I don't want the market to leave me. You know, it's that thing of saying I don't want the market to, I don't want to miss an opportunity. So if I don't want to miss an opportunity, I know my account is big, I can put my orders here at 820, or I can just fill in a lot of orders within this box. I know that the market can just manipulate a little bit with a spike, and then but they will come back here. So that's basically what I'm doing, guys. That's my entry points. Look at that. If I go back to the H4 or H1, look at that refined entry. Do you see how thin it is, guys? I think it's like 1 pip or 5 pips less, guys. So this thing is refined. We wait for it to come back here. Already it's on top of that line, the refined. Do you see the refined? Is it a coincidence that the refined entry point is on top of the line that we drew on our highest time frame, which is W or D1? uh, so that's basically it, guys. I don't want this video to be long. We'll meet on another one once we enter our trade, guys. I think that's it from me. See you on another one. Bye bye.